Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to show you how you can do a phishing attack using a simple tool called Zfisher. It is very easy to use. So let's start without wasting any time. First thing you have to do is to open your terminal. And then type cd zfisher to open the file directory. Type ls to view file components, after that type bash zfisher.sh to start the application. Here you can see the multiple phishing templates, but today we are using the Instagram template. To do so, just type 2 to proceed. There are multiple options, but I am going to go with the traditional one. Here, you have to select the hosting service. In this case, I am going with the second option. And you will have to follow me throughout the video. Here I am setting up the custom port that is 5555. And it will set up the hosting service on this port. Now, we will wait until the process is completed. There, the hosting service has started on my local server. To make it available commercially, I will open up a new instance and follow the steps. There I will start the ngrok service by typing ./ngrok http 5555. And my public server is now live, and there is the link where I can access the page. Now I will copy the link and paste it in my browser to test it out. There you can see our page is working fine. I will enter a dummy username and password to test the connection. There you can see that our site contents are properly loading. And we will also check if our credentials are being reflected to our terminal. Nothing had reflected yet, and we will wait until the credentials will reflect. There you can see that our phishing site is working properly, and the credentials are being reflected. To make it more entertaining, I will send the link to one of my friends. We will wait for the victim until he passes his credentials on the site. There you can see, an IP address has been listed here. It means that the victim has clicked on the login button. And we will just wait for the credentials to pop up on the screen. Finally, the wait is over and the credentials are here. This video is for educational purposes only and do not do anything like this without the permission of the victim or any other organization. And I will hope everything I demonstrated in the video helped you. And I request you to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.